Alrighty, so this is my name's Lauren Benjamin. This is from Module 4 over the Web 2.0. Okay, so question 1 states, reflect on why it's important for a teacher to have a foundational knowledge of media technology, resolution, and compression, and what did you learn from those sections? Well, I personally think it's important, especially, okay, we're going to start with the resolution, because if you don't really understand the importance of resolution, then you could, like my camera, for instance, does not have great resolution right now. My students might not really like or really be able to see based off the resolution, so my teaching could kind of go out the window if they're distracted because the resolution is terrible. It's important just to have a foundation knowledge of technology and the lingo that goes with it, I guess, because since it is a lot of schools are making it such a requirement for teachers to utilize technology, we as incoming teachers, we need to really have an understanding of it so that we're able to assist, I guess, teachers that may not have a complete knowledge of it. Question 2. Describe your experience working with Prezi. Did you have challenges with it? What did you like and dislike about the application compared to using PowerPoint? I hardcore struggled with Prezi. I don't know if I'm just illiterate when it comes to it, but I could not figure out how to do links properly. I was struggling with figuring out how to get my images uploaded. I did not like it. It was very confusing for me. I would much prefer to use PowerPoint just because I feel like right-clicking and copying my image is 10 times easier than Prezi, where you have to do 4 different steps to insert an image. That's my personal opinion. Maybe it's because I'm not very good at technology. I don't really know. Question 3. Describe your experience working with Screenshot-O-Matic or one of the other screen capturing applications. Did you have challenges working with it? What are some different ways that you could see yourself using screen capture as a teacher? I'm kind of indifferent to the Screenshot-O-Matic. I didn't think it was super hard to figure out, but at the same time, it was not quite easy for me to figure out. I kind of had to play with it a little bit. As for using it in the classroom, at first I struggled with trying to figure out what to even videotape myself doing, because since I'm going to be special education, I'm like, well, they're not going to be making a bunch of presentations using PowerPoint. They're not going to be using Excel that often. Like, I don't really know. And then I got to thinking about it. Well, special education could actually be using it, especially PowerPoint, because a lot of kids with developmental disabilities, a lot of them fall within the autism spectrum, and they don't have great personal skills, so they can't even give book reports when they have them. So a lot of teachers assign them to do PowerPoint presentations because it's easier for them to really get their book report across rather than writing a huge essay about it. And I was like, okay, that's how I could use it. So that's what I did my screenshot presentation over. And as of right now, that's the only thing I could see myself using Screenshot-O-Matic on, because I feel like a lot of special education are going to be more hands-on and really need to test it out and me showing them what to do. But I think that could be a useful tool, especially if, like, let's say I'm sick for a day and there's a substitute teacher. They can use that as a reference if they're struggling with figuring it out. Thank you.